Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a multiple document file or Excel file or PowerPoint file in your Word document file. Okay, so you just need to follow me. So first of all, you have to open or create one new document file on your computer. Okay, or if you already have a document, then you can open that. So in this case I have already created one document file, as you can see on my desktop. So here it is. So now what you have to do, you need to go to the insert, and after that here you will get one option is called object. So click on this drop down button over there, is showing over there, down arrow button, and click on this object option. Okay, so if you want to create a new Word file or PowerPoint file, then you can select this option. Okay, like I want to create a new Word document file, and after select you have to click on display as in icon, and after that from here you can change the icon. Okay, so I will go with the default, and after that click on OK. So once you have clicked on OK, it will add it, as you can see, one document file over there. So now I'm going to show you guys how to add a PowerPoint file over there. So just go to the object and select here PowerPoint, new PowerPoint, and click on display as icon and OK. And as you can see, PowerPoint file also added over there. Now if you have already made a one document file or PowerPoint file, then I will show you guys how to add that file. So just go to object once again and go to create from file. After that click on browse, and now go to that location where your file is. So in my case it is under iDrive, so I will select that Word document file and click on insert. After that, if you have to choose a display as icon, you can change the icon from here. Okay, and after that click on OK. So now as you can see, my file is added over there. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.